Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Syaril Khair bin Zulkifli.
My name is Tuan Muhammad Ilham Kabil bin Muhammad Yusri.
And today we are going to review a TED Talk by Julian Treasure titled 5 Ways to Listen Better.
So we go to the introduction. Firstly, general description of the video. In this video, Julian Treasure discusses a critical issue that affects both our personal and social life. The decline of conscious listening. As a sound expert, he offers a unique perspective on how modern life is filled with distraction that drown out meaningful sound. From background noise in public spaces to the fast-paced digital media we consume, every day our ability to listen attentively is slowly fading. He argues that while we are constantly surrounded by sound, we are losing the ability to make sense of it. We hear but we rarely listen. This growing problem affects not only communication but also our relationship, our sense of presence, and even our ability to understand and empathize with others. Treasure supports his points with relatable examples and real-life scenarios that help illustrate how easily we take listening for granted. Secondly, purpose of the speech. The main purpose of this speech is to educate and empower the audience with practical tools to enhance their listening skills. Treasure introduces 5 simple yet powerful techniques, such as listening to silence, using an acronym called RASA, which is receive, appreciate, summarize, ask, and being aware of filters that affect how we interpret sound. The strategies are designed to help us regain control over how we engage with sound and, more importantly, how we listen to one another. We go to non-verbal aspects. One thing I noticed is the speaker maintained natural eye contact with the audience. It made the message feel really personal and engaging.
I agree. It's like you could tell they were truly connecting with the crowd, not just reading off a script.
Also, the hand gestures were used moderately, just enough to highlight key points without being distracting.
Exactly. It helped guide our attention without taking the focus away from what was being said. And also, I also noticed his appearance, casual but smart. It matched the relaxed yet informative tone of the talk.
Yeah, it made them approachable but still professional. That balance really matters.
Also, despite being in the large room, the speaker's voice was clear and well modulated, easy for everyone to hear.
Definitely, good volume and tone make a huge difference in keeping the audience engaged throughout.
And now, we move to the conclusion. Julian Treasure's talk is both informative and inspiring, encouraging us to consider the way we engage in everyday communication. Rather than being passive act, listening is shown to be an active and intentional process that can be greatly improve the quality of our interaction. His message is clear. By learning how to listen better, we also learn how to live more consciously and connect more meaningfully with the world around us. The strength of this TED Talk lies not only with the content but also in Treasure's delivery. His calm tone, confident posture, expressive gesture, and clear voice all contribute the effectiveness of his message. He does more than just deliver a speech. He practices what he preaches by listening to the audience, respecting their attention, and communicating with attention, intention, and clarity. Treasure ends his TED Talk with a call to action, urging us to make a habit out of listening consciously. He challenges us to take responsibility for how we receive and interpret sound, reminding us that doing so can positively affect every area of our life. And now, we move to the general recommendation. This TED Talk should be seen as valuable learning resource for both listeners and speakers alike. It's aspiring public speakers can learn from Julian Treasure's exceptional use of non-verbal communication, from the way he maintains his eye contact to measures, gesture, and clear vocal delivery. His appearance also reflects the tone of the talk, professional yet approachable, which helps put the audience at ease. That's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you.